Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to my English online class. Today we will discuss 7th chapter from your English reader book. So all of you open your books, page number 37. See, the chapter name is The Blind Man's Window. Blind means a person that cannot see. Okay, let's start the chapter. Rajesh and Ramesh were suffering from a serious illness. Rajesh and Ramesh were two persons. They were suffering from serious illness. They were ill. Both were admitted to City Hospital. Both the persons were admitted to the same hospital. The name of the hospital was City Hospital. They were given beds adjacent to each other. They were given beds which are adjacent to each other. Their bed were near to each other. Okay. Rajesh had some severe lung infection and his bed was next to the room's only window. That hospital's room had only one window. Okay, and Rajesh bed was next to the room's only window. And Rajesh has some severe lung infection. Okay, Ramesh had acute back problem and had to spend all the time lying flat on bed. And Ramesh has back problem, okay, and he had to spend all the time lying flat on bed. They used to talk for hours with each other about their wives and families, homes, jobs, etc. So they talk with each other about their wives, their families, about their homes, jobs, etc. The doctor told Rajesh to sit for 1 hour in the afternoon to get fresh air. As Rajesh had severe lung infection, the doctor told Rajesh to sit for 1 hour in the afternoon so that he can get fresh air. So every afternoon Rajesh sat up in his bed and passed his time by depicting the view outside the window to Ramesh, as Ramesh was not allowed to sit or stand. And as the doctor said, Rajesh sat up in his bed and passed his time by depicting the view outside. As his bed was near the window, he can see the view of outside. So he described about the outside view to the Ramesh, because Ramesh cannot or could not allowed to sit or stand as he had severe back problem. Okay. Ramesh loved the way he described the world outside the window. So Ramesh was enjoyed Rajesh description about the outside. He could feel through his words the beauty and prosperity of the world that he could not see. So Ramesh can feel the beauty of the world by Rajesh words. That 1 hour enlivened his life, and every day he waited eagerly to know the happenings through Rajesh. So he was very much interested, and always and every day he waited eagerly to know the happenings through Rajesh. Rajesh told him that there was a beautiful park with huge greenery ahead of the window. Rajesh said that there was a beautiful park with huge greenery. That park was green ahead of the window. There was also a pond. Outside the window there was also a pond. He added, children played there while couples walked hand in hand. In that park children played there, and also couples came there and walked hand in hand. He told him about the exquisite flowers and the bright sun. And Rajesh described all the things happening in that park, or all the things outside the window. Okay, days and weeks passed like this. So they spent weeks and weeks like this. They talked about the world outside the window every day. One morning, the nurse arrived and found Rajesh dead. One morning, nurse came and saw Rajesh and found that Rajesh was dead. She told Ramesh about it and went to call the doctor. So she told about Rajesh to the Ramesh and also went to call the doctor. Ramesh was shattered to know this, as Rajesh had shown no such signs. So Ramesh was very much upset to know about Rajesh's death, as Rajesh had no such signs. He passed away in his sleep itself. He slept at night and he passed away in his sleep itself. Rajesh's body was taken away. After his death, Rajesh's body was taken away from the hospital. After a few days, Ramesh requested the nurse to shift him to the bed next to the window. So Ramesh requested the nurse to shift him to the bed next to the window in the Rajesh bed. When the nurse left the room, Ramesh thought of looking outside the window to get a real view. So Ramesh wanted to look outside through the window to get a real view, to see the outside. Ramesh used his elbow support to push himself up a little. So as Ramesh has back pain, so he used his elbows to support and to push himself up a little so that he can see the real view of outside. He was appalled because what he saw outside was just a blank wall. So he saw that there was nothing. There was no park, no pond, just there was a blank wall. He asked the nurse about the park, but she confirmed that there was only a blank wall outside and that Rajesh was blind. And Ramesh told the nurse about the park, and the nurse confirmed that there was no park, no such park there. Okay, and there was only a blank wall outside. Ramesh understood that Rajesh only wanted to inspire him to live through his lies. Ramesh understood that Rajesh wanted to inspire him, as he had severe back pain and he could not see the outside and could not even sit. Okay, so this is the story. Hope you all understand this. If you have any doubt, inform me. Okay, now see the glossary. The word meaning: adjacent, next to or adjoining something else. Depicting means describing, narrate. Prosperity, well-being, comfort. Shattered, very upset. Acute, intense, severe. Enlivened, made lively or lively. Exquisite, extremely beautiful. Appalled, shocked or horrified. Okay, so students, it's your today's class. I will discuss the question answer in our next class. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.